All right, guys. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Happy Tuesday. Feels like Monday because we didn't trade it all yesterday. At least I didn't. Hopefully, you guys didn't trade. I mean, I looked at the market. I didn't really see much going on. There was super clean and clear. It was a lot of chop back and forth yesterday. Um, so excited for today. We obviously are waiting on JOLTS job openings to come out here in a few minutes. So we have a few minutes to just cover some things right now. This is just more so like me just tape reading what I'm kind of anticipating price to do right now here on this 30-minute, 1 hour time frame between ES and NQ. I would kind of expect the same thing from both. However, ES is the weaker of the two, and it kind of has been that way for a little bit now. So, if anything, I would expect there to be more respect on ES than on NQ. You can kind of see NQ is working a little bit deeper into that breaker block right here. So not really sure what to expect. I think you can make a case for both sides of the market right now. So that's why I also wasn't like, hey guys, let's start getting short right now, even though it's in this zone where I'm kind of anticipating that to possibly happen. But just really simply, the reasoning for it is just because we have this sell side liquidity level that was not taken out on ES. On NQ, we kind of have a low resistance liquidity run right below where price currently is gone so far. We took out the Monday PM session low from yesterday, but we still have Monday AM low, Friday PM low, and even more so than that, let's go to the 1 hour chart. These equal lows right here from Friday to, I guess this is Thursday as well. So there's a lot of liquidity resting right here, which is why I'm a little bit more bearish going into today at least. So yeah, guys, should be a good week. Should be a good week. Obviously, the idea would be, there we go. We're getting that release now. But the idea would be to be hopefully in a great enough position by Friday that we could have the decision if we want to maybe take Friday off because it's NFP. We'll just see where we're at. Obviously, we're on a nice little win streak Tuesday through Friday of last week. All amazing trades, multiple take profits hit every day. So I would like to keep that going as long as we can. Let's see what kind of streak we can get rolling here. But news did come out bearish. Okay, so news came out bearish. I'm going to hide my camera over here so it's not in the way. Let's jump up here. Holy cow, guys. This thing is moving. Jeez, give us a chance at least. Respects. So usually the rule of thumb is you can put your stop loss above the fair value gap candle, correct? But notice here how that 15-minute fair value gap, if your stop loss was right above it, you got ran out, stop hunted, dumb money to perfection, and then price ran away without you. So it can be kind of finicky like that. You can have the red analysis and still lose in a case like this. And that's why I do think it does help to pay attention to these as best you can. Looking at, what was it? London today, right? Okay, look at I think it was on the 5-minute chart. It's kind of finicky now that I remember it, but it's right here. It's finicky just because it's not as obvious. We didn't have as much volume, obviously, during London as we do now. But same thing here. You've got, if your stop loss was above this fair value gap candle right here as price started breaking down, you're good to go on ES. No problem. Never breaches the high of that candle wick. Then you got over here on NQ. Same exact fair value gap, same exact time. Breaches that candle high by a couple ticks. And then sells off. So that's kind of the only thing to keep in mind. Obviously, if you put your stop loss above whatever the near swing high or swing low is, you don't have to worry about that, which maybe just to be safe, that's what you'd want to do. But I just wanted to kind of point that out in terms of like the relative strength and weakness of these two. We got obviously price just tanking. Man, guys, that would have been a nice trade to catch. So that sucks. But otherwise, yeah, guys, we can hop off. Mark, let me know if you need if you need any more help or anything. I would just say reach out or drop a message in the Discord. I can drop you the link to their Discord if you need it as well. But yeah, guys, I would say no harm, no foul. We never ended up even taking a trade this morning, mainly just due to that news having poor timing with us, unfortunately. So that's all that's all there is for that. I don't think there's going to be a high probability trade set up the rest of the morning, so I don't see the point of us sitting on here and watching the market do nothing, and then worst case scenario, we force a trade that's not really there. So I will be looking at market after lunch. Not planning on doing a Zoom call. I'll just send alerts in the Discord, and I'll send you guys what I'm looking at. If I see something, if I don't see anything, we won't end up taking a trade. But if it's a high probability A+ setup, it makes a lot of sense. PM session, we'll take it. We'll just have to wait and see where we're at in the next few hours. All right, guys, but have an amazing Tuesday. If you guys do need anything or help with whatever, have questions, feel free to reach out or drop a message in the Discord. And I will talk to you guys later today. Have an amazing rest of your guys' Tuesday. I'll talk to you guys soon. Peace out, guys.